Hey everyone, it's Dan from Brookswood PowerWashing here. Today we have a really cool job. We are cleaning this pool. To clean this pool, we're going to be rinsing it with a pressure washer and scrubbing the sides with a brush and using a trash pump and a vacuum cleaner to suck out all the water and filth. It's pretty grimy. Here is a 3-inch trash pump we will be using. This is a sucker tube that will go into the waste. This is a discharge line which will be going out into the field out there. And last but not least, this is our pressure washer which we'll be rinsing the pool with. Now it's time to get to work. Let's go! Here we're starting to rinse the pool. As you can see, we're keeping the wand a fair bit a ways as we're not using the wand to clean. We're using it merely just to move the debris to the end of the pool, which later we'll be sucking up using the shop vac or the 3-inch trash pump. And the other reason we're cleaning it from the back toward the front is we want the floor to be very clean as we're walking, as we do not want to damage the acrylic floor or the pool in general. This is where we're scrubbing the acrylic walls with the soft brush, and then after we scrub the walls, we're going to be rinsing them. It's looking pretty damn good. Thanks to him and all his hard work. Now off to the next stage to go and start sucking this out and getting the hot tub cleaned up. Now I'm going to be sucking out this hot tub for all the ugly water. I got my trash pump hooked up with the line in place, and it's the line going way outside the house here, so I'm going to get fired up. We have finished the pool up. Here you can see the hot tub before and after. Absolutely unreal. On the rest of the pool, which is super gunky as well, looks like brand new. I'm pretty sure the client's gonna be really happy with how clean this pool is now.